This video will be showing you step by step how to install driver for the Canon PIXMA G3570 printer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to Google and search for Canon PIXMA G3570 driver. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to find the Canon that is closest to you. So if you're in the United States, you'll find Canon US. If you're in Europe, you'll find Canon Europe right here. And you'll just need to click on it like so. Once from here, you'll get inside of the Canon website, and specifically more inside of the Canon PIXMA G3570 series. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you see the drivers tab down here, and from here, you'll need to go down to the driver. From here, you can change the operating system to either one of these, depending on if you have a Mac or Windows computer or a Linux. You'll simply need to find a specific one that is suitable for you. Once from here, you'll need to add in your preferred language. So you can just click any one of these preferred language of yours, like so. Once from here, you'll need to go down to the individual drivers, and then from here, you'll need to find a specific one that is suitable for your driver or your printer. Once from here, you'll just need to simply click on it, and then from here, you can download it right here, like so. As you can see up here, now the download is beginning. And once from here, you'll simply need to save it into a secure folder of yours inside of your computer. And once from here, you'll simply need to open it up like so. Once from here, it should look something like this, like so. And now from here, you will simply just need to follow through with the instructions here and find your specific printer that you want to update the driver for. Once from here, you will need to select it and click next and just follow through of the process installer. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!